Sup, degenerates. Time to teach you hapless bunch of illiterates. H-1 visa holders how to make a paper airplane. File it under practical general life skills.
Hey there! Welcome to my absolute favorite corner of the universe, my craft workshop. Look at this place. It's bursting with color and ideas, and today we're gonna make something that actually flies. These little guys?
Hi guys, I'm your craft guru. Grab printer paper, no tools needed.
Just follow simple instructions and learn, hey, you gotta show me a little respect, or you gotta show me your green card.
Check it out. One perfectly plain sheet of paper. Looks ready for some moves, right? All I have to do is line up the edges and give it a smooth fold. Press along the crease, nice and crisp. Listen to that snap, and boom, folded right.
You know what? That probably is too easy for even some of you, so let's put on our big boy pants up in here, okay? Grab a sheet of printer paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, or a 4 as it were. For best results, use slightly heavier stock, around 24 pounds, and have some tape ready for reinforcement. Start by folding the paper in half lengthwise, crease sharply, then unfold. Fold the top corners down to meet the center crease, creating a pointy nose. Fold those new edges inward again to the center line. Flip the paper over, fold the top point down to lock the nose, then fold the plane in half along the center. Now the magic. Fold the wings down from the top edge, leaving a small body section. Adjust the dihedral, bend the wings slightly upward for stability. Add tape along the nose, wings, and seams for strength. Symmetry is everything here. The secret? A variable dihedral angle that optimizes lift as speed changes during the glide. Launch with a firm, level throw, no steep angle needed. Suzanne glides like a dream, adjusting to airspeed on its own.
All right, ready? Go! Launch number 2. And away you go. Yes! Look at it fly! Yeah! Go for it!
Yeah! Send it, Jaden!
Here it goes. Whoa, look at that arc. So far. Nice throw. My turn. Right into the hoop. Now, watch this. Bullseye!
Yes! All right, here we go. Whoa, did you see that? It's inviting.
Hey, incels, simps, and cucks, want to hit dad? Ha ha ha, bet you do. Incels, simps, and cucks, ooh, until the next one, hit that subscribe button, push notify, and keep hoping.